What's up, you guys? It's your girl Nilia. I know, long time no see, but your girl's still here. She's still alive. Nothing much is new with me, but I do have these knotless braids in my hair, and I'm gonna attempt to wash them. I've never washed knotless braids before. I'm kind of hoping it doesn't completely ruin the style, but you know, you guys are gonna come along with me and we're gonna try this out. I had these knotless braids in for about not even 2 weeks yet, you guys, and they look crazy because I just got back from vacation and I tore these braids up. We were swimming and diving in the ocean with the salt water and all that, okay? And I haven't washed my hair yet. We're about to wash them because my scalp is starting to itch, and I know the salt water and all that's probably still in there. Disgusting. Also, disclaimer, this is not a braider's fault. This is not her fault whatsoever. This is just user error. Like I said, was very rough on these braids. I'm usually very rough on these braids, and because I have fine textured hair, you know, styles like these are kind of loose on me anyway. I will say, for a braider, I'm very particular, but she did a pretty good job. Like, a lot of these braids have enough hair on them to actually cover my hair. You know what I mean? Like, she did a good job. There's a little bit of hair coming out of some of these braids, but I mean, I expected that. Like, when I tell you I was like living my best life, I was living my best life in Puerto Rico, okay? My only concern is that the parts that are already kind of like having hair poke out are gonna get worse. But I'm also thinking about redoing a few of them, and I'm always funny about redoing other people's work. But we're gonna try at least maybe one in the front. We're gonna use what I have. We're gonna use a spray bottle, and we're gonna use my favorite shampoo. You guys already know, the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Water for Foam shampoo. Again, I always love this nozzle. It's perfect for the sections and everything. So to minimize the frizz, even though, can you really minimize the frizz? I don't know. Let's make you guys higher. So first I'm gonna wet my entire scalp, and then we're gonna go in with the shampoo. This is the Continue Mister kind of bottle, so you hit it once and it just continues to spray. You guys seen these. To make this easier on myself, I'm definitely going to have to section these braids. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I want to point out how I washed my hair exactly. So of course, spray the area, make sure it's damp, and then I take the nozzle of the shampoo and run it alongside my parts. And then I proceed to use my fingers to rub the shampoo in and get it going. And as you can see here, I'm not using my nails, I'm using the tips of my fingers, and I'm not going in all crazy types of directions. We're going in one direction, we're going down. And I think this really helped minimize frizz. Instead of going all over the place and like trying to scrub my scalp, just gentle movements with the shampoo, making sure it gets through all the parts. And that really helped with the frizz. Hey guys, so the shampoo is all in my scalp. It's kind of starting to dry a little bit, but it's all throughout my scalp. I even brought it down to where I believe my hair is. So my next plan is, because my entire head has been in the ocean, I'm going to run the shower through the braids and get the whole entire braid wet. If I was just doing my scalp and like a little scalp touch up, I would probably just take a cup of water and rinse it out so my whole entire braid's not wet. But because, like I said, I was swimming, we're gonna hit the whole entire head, baby. YOLO. So I'll see you guys as soon as I get out of the shower. When I get out the shower, I just dried my hair with a microfiber towel, the ends specifically, but then we're going to go in on the scalp. So I used my Dyson dryer and I used the Lotta Body foam just because I had it on deck. I'm not sure if this was the best foam to use, but anyways, I sprayed a bunch right on the top of my hair where it gets the most frizzy, and then I tied it down and blow dried it with the Dyson. Now, though it's sped up, this process actually took a while. I think an easier version, of course, would probably be to just sit under a hooded dryer or a hooded dryer attachment. But I just wanted to test this theory, and I had time this day. Okay guys, so here is how it's looking after I blow dried it with the foam, and the foam definitely helped. So the frizz is really like calmed down at the moment. My baby hairs are kind of laid down. It's still damp and the ends are super wet. Like, I have a towel wrapped around them because for whatever reason, like, I just hate the feeling of dripping ends, and the ends just will not dry. So, but here's what we're working with. Now I don't think the parts that were frizzy before have gotten worse. So I think I did a good job on that front. So this might have been a success, y'all. So what I do want to do is follow up with an oil. I just want to use like a hair growth kind of oil and just put it down my parts. So my hair is a mixture of number 2 and 27, and I'm thinking this 27, are they the same? Okay, they look the same. So I already have a number 27 at my house, and I always keep a number 2 on deck. So we're gonna see how I do. I'm gonna cut this piece out, and if anything, I know how to box braid. We're gonna use Let's Jam, and I'm gonna put that on each corner like I usually do. On not each corner, each side of this section. Again, this is not a tutorial, but we have 3 sections of hair, and we're gonna start braiding them. I don't know how many times I just did that. Maybe 3. Then you just kind of loop the extension hair underneath and keep braiding with it. Is the gist. Oh, this hair is trash. I think I remember saying this hair is trash too. Loop under the fake hair and keep braiding with it. Do a turnaround. Oh my god. Okay, this is not working. Pause. So I'm not going to force you guys to sit through that struggle, because the next day I remembered a way to do faux knotless braids, and that's the crochet method, which I have an entire video on my channel already, so definitely check that out. But here I am kind of doing the basics of it, but even then I was struggling. The culprit was the brand of braiding hair I chose to use. You guys, just get Expressions. I've never had any issues with Expressions. I don't know why I try to deviate from Expressions. Just pay the extra $1 or $2. It's worth it. It's not worth this stress right here. So yeah, just the struggle. So here's the video, the Jumbo Knotless Braids video, and in there I'm showing you exactly how I got the faux knotless look, which is pretty simple to do. It's not as beautiful as knotless braids, but this is definitely beginner friendly. Okay, so now the next clip, we're gonna go to our outro from the night before when I kind of gave up. Here we are, basically clean scalp, Make sure to moisturize because my hair is super squeaky clean after using that shampoo. But you guys, I think we pretty much did it. Like the frizz is not worse than it was before. It's pretty much the same. I think this was a success. I really am trying to keep these in a little while longer. We'll see, y'all know how I am. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this struggle. I hope you guys got some tips if you ever thought about washing your mini twist. Wow. If you ever thought about washing your knotless braids, I hope this video helped. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It's good to be back. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.